If you are wondering if we have split screen view available on OnePlus 15R, then the answer is yes, and we have three main ways to activate the split screen view. The main way to do so is by simply opening the first app that you want to open in the split screen. Then you want to go to the recent tasks or background apps and tap on the app name that we have above the preview. Now in here we can find the split view option. Then we can open the second app or choose the second app that we want to open in the split screen view, just like that. Now, besides that, what you can also do is if you use gestures for navigation, then you can swipe from the bottom of the phone towards the upper left side. As you can see here at the top, we have the split view and floating windows section, so you can drop your finger over there, and this allows you to quickly open an app in the split screen view as well. And last but not least, if you use the sidebar, and then you can press and hold your finger on the app that you want to open in the split view. And after a second, as you can see, we have the option to open the app in the split view. After that, once again, just choose the other app that you want to open in the split view. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.